In news from the courts tonight, a judge issuing a bench warrant for Canadian fashion mogul Peter Nygard as he was a no-show in court today. Vern Curry tells us that the businessman's sentencing hearing was to take place this morning.
Supreme Court Judge Cheryl Grant Thompson has issued a bench warrant for Canadian fashion mogul Peter Nygard to be arrested immediately. This after the Canadian failed to show up at court for a third time for mitigation and sentencing for breaching a court order preventing him from engaging in illegal dredging at his Life at Key home. Grant Thompson said she has zero tolerance in such matters and also indicated that the 77-year-old Canadian must explain why he should not be committed to prison for failing to appear. During the proceedings, Nygard's attorney, Carlton Martin, told the court he fully expected Nygard to be in court. However, he exhibited an affidavit from Dr. Cornville Brown indicating that Nygard, who was out of the country, has serious health issues. He said Nygard traveled between New York and Canada all last week and, following the flights, reportedly felt dizzy and faint and also had blood pressure issues. Martin said Nygard was taking medication for pain and his doctor had advised him not to leave Canada or go on a plane as it may be fatal to him. However, Justice Grant Thompson was not convinced. She said that after examining the document, she realized that Dr. Brown had not examined Nygard. She also indicated that there was no reason why the Canadian could not appear in court as he had traveled all last week. Attorney Fred Smith QC, who represents a coalition to protect Clifton, urged the court to issue a bench warrant for Nygard. He said Nygard is not above the law and should be treated like anybody else. He suggested that Nygard has been trying to delay the matter by filing numerous motions and applications while the Canadians' attorneys have been playing musical chairs in terms of representation. Smith also noted that Nygard recently filed a motion challenging the court's jurisdiction. Justice Grant Thompson agreed. She also requested that attorney Code Smith, who is representing Nygard in the mitigation and sentencing matter, appear in court on February 7th to explain why he was not in court. Vern Curry, CNN Network News.